Can vitamin C prevent COVID-19? Vitamin C, especially in the form of an intravenous infusion, is thought to help reverse some of the damage that COVID-19 can cause. There is no proof it can treat or cure coronavirus because the novel coronavirus is new. Doctors do not fully understand it. All potential treatments remain experimental, and researchers have not yet tested vitamin C or shown that it can treat the virus. There is no evidence to suggest that taking vitamin C is harmful to people with COVID-19, but there is also no evidence to suggest that it will treat or slow the virus. Researchers are investigating high dose intravenous injections of vitamin C, not over the counter supplements. Theory: vitamin C is an antioxidant, which means that it can fight oxidative damage. When the immune system activates to kill a pathogen, it may also cause oxidative damage. This suggests that vitamin C could fight the damage that the disease fighting process causes. It also aids healthy immune function by supporting the development of white blood cells. In its role as an antioxidant, vitamin C may also help fight inflammation, which can damage the lungs and other organs. Some evidence suggests that people with severe COVID-19 experience dangerous levels of inflammation. However, a 2020 paper cautions that very high doses of vitamin C may change the way immune cells die, increasing the risk of localized inflammation. The authors recommend adding a steroid treatment called a glucocorticoid to reduce this inflammation. Vitamin C levels also tend to decline when a person is unwell, even though the immune system's need for this vitamin increases. Some doctors believe that taking vitamin C supplements can help prevent this depletion, thereby supporting the immune system. Vitamin C causes few side effects, even at high doses. This means that it may be a safer alternative to riskier treatments. Research and evidence. A handful of papers have suggested that vitamin C may help treat inflammation and symptoms associated with COVID-19. At least one clinical trial testing this is underway, but it will not finish until September 2020. For now, the research supporting the use of vitamin C for COVID-19 has looked at conditions such as acute respiratory distress syndrome and the need for mechanical ventilation due to severe cases of COVID-19. It has not looked specifically at people with COVID-19. A 2020 meta-analysis of 9 existing clinical trials compared a group of people who received an intravenous infusion with a group of controls. The researchers found that on average vitamin C shortened the length of mechanical ventilation by 14%. The effect varied from study to study, though, and it was larger when members of the control group needed longer periods of ventilation. A 2019 meta-analysis found that vitamin C infusions could shorten the length of intensive care unit stays by 7.8% and the need for mechanical ventilation by 18.2%. The study looked at a wide range of medical conditions but not at COVID-19. A 2019 randomized controlled trial looked at people with sepsis and severe acute respiratory failure, which are two complications that people with severe COVID-19 may experience. Participants received either a placebo or a vitamin C infusion. Although vitamin C did not decrease the rate of organ failure or sepsis, fewer people in the vitamin C group died. A 2018 study compared people with severe pneumonia who received a vitamin C, thiamine, and hydrocortisone infusion with those who did not. The study authors adjusted for possible differences in the group but still found that the vitamin C group had better outcomes. Specifically, they were less likely to die and had better improvements in their lung scans. Vitamin D. No research has yet confirmed that vitamin D can play a role in the treatment of COVID-19. Like vitamin C, vitamin D also plays a key role in immune function. Emerging evidence suggests that people with vitamin D deficiencies may have worse outcomes if they develop COVID-19. A 2017 study suggests that vitamin D may protect against severe respiratory tract infections. Also, at least 14 clinical trials are underway to test the role of vitamin D in preventing COVID-19. Currently, no evidence support the use of vitamin C or D in treating COVID-19.